we starting?
Yeah, we're starting.
Hello.
Hi. I'm Molly. I'm Natalie. And we're at the Wilderness Lodge. It's kind of loud. It's kind of loud because they're doing construction like right over there. Really fits the atmosphere, you know? And we just got like 2 trees. Cupcakes. And a little, what is this? Reindeer food, yeah. Reindeer food, and we thought it'd be this big because the photo, insert the photo, is like, yay, looks like it's not big.
There's glitter and everything.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god, it's a bow. It's like in a box.
Okay. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Keep it?
I want to keep it. It matches with my outfit. I can do my
Huh.
Okay.
Okay, cameraman gets one of each, one pretzel, one cookie thing.
What is this?
No. How about we eat that one after we get these?
They're brownies. Or whatever. Ow. I'm good. I didn't break anything. The wall hunt is practical.
I wouldn't recommend it. You like it? Let's try this one.
3, 2.
3, 2, 1. Smells like Play-Doh.
The gingerbread.
Texture.
I can't feel it.
Ugh. What is this? Molly. What do we have? That's not half.
Yeah, you're picky. Finish it.
See?
I like it.
It's not good.
Really? This is the problem with Natalie. She says, oh, I don't like it, and then puts half of it away. This is for cameraman.
That's for cameraman.
Bring on a cupcake.
Can I have the forks, please? Cameraman.
There's music playing in the back.
There's music and construction going on.
I want this one.
I want that
I want that one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, wait, 2 out of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, dang it. I want this one. You can have the small one.
You can have the small one. Wait.
Oh, I'm drooling. That's good frosting.
Delicious. Okay. I'll try this one. Good bite. One.
That's good.
As long as water, I have coffee. So I'm curious.
I don't drink caffeine. Not even just to the coffee. I know no one's curious.
I'm not going to deny it, because that's the first step to addiction, denying that you have it.
Hello.
Hi, we are currently at Disney Springs. We just finished taking photos. We ate our dinner. I sound like a robot.
Turn it off.
And then we changed back into our normal clothes, I guess.
I'm wearing warm clothes. Finally, Velvet is not very warm.
It actually is. Velvet is very warm.
It was a thin layer, so.
Okay. And then we went, after photos, we went shopping.
Shopping.
Yeah, we got some bath bombs. We got some
Tea.
Blueberry and chocolate black tea.
Oh god. You remember all these? I think one was Celebration. I'm gonna use this one today.
That's her only one.
She wouldn't let me get another one.
Yeah. I bought these, and Molly's angry at me for only letting her have one because she didn't buy it.
I use bath bombs more than her. It's on my Christmas list. I really like bath bombs.
You should have brought your money.
I don't have any money because it's on my savings.
You said you had $40 in your black bag.
And which I can't find it.
That seems like a personal problem.
Yeah, I know.
And we went to Ghirardelli's, and we had some hot chocolate.
Get some good stuff.
We had a caramel and regular one.
Caramel's my favorite.
Regular is mine.
No, Natalie labeled it. Caramel, regular. I'm done with both of them.
Now we're planning on heading back to the car and going home.
We had a lot of fun. Here, if you can make it out here, enjoy yourself. Get some stuff, bath bombs,
Tea, cupcakes. Don't get the reindeer food.
No, that's gross.
Yeah.
It's from the hotels.
Again, don't do it.
Yeah.
But
It's disgusting.
yes. But thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So you can get more videos. But
Alright. That's it.
bye.
Bye.
That's me.